Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to connect your XM account to TradingView. The first step is to connect your XM MT5 account to a third-party service. These services act as a bridge between MetaTrader and TradingView. One example is Webhook Trade. Open the website of the service you want to use and create your account. After you log in, go to the dashboard and look for the option that lets you connect a broker or MetaTrader account. When the system asks for your MT5 details, enter the correct information. Select MT5 as the platform. Then type your MT5 login number, which is the account ID XM gave you when you registered. After that, enter the password of your trading account. Now select the exact XM server. You can find the server name in the welcome email from XM. Once all details are correct, confirm the connection. The system will then link your XM account through the cloud and generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy this URL because you will need it next. Now open TradingView. Choose the chart and the asset where you want the alert to trigger. At the top of the screen, click on the alert icon. A window will open. Under the condition section, choose the signal that should activate your alert. This could be a price crossover or an indicator signal. Next, go to the Notifications tab and enable the webhook option. Paste the webhook URL you copied from the third-party service. After that, open the Message tab. Here you need to paste the exact command code the service created for you. This code is normally in JSON format. It tells the service what kind of trade to place, like buy or sell, the lot size, your stop loss, and your take profit. When you are done, save your alert in TradingView. Your setup is now complete. Thanks for watching.